Okay, we are here at Fashion Valley Mall, right? Let me see what you got. Oh, nice. Okay. We are heading to a chocolate press, right? I remember มันอยู่ทางนอกกันนะ
I thought it was that way. We'll
Is it?
find it, yeah. I thought it was that way. I'm not sure though. We should
พอ
look at
พอชื่อแล้วอยู่ว่ามันอยู่เบื้องนี่เลยมันอยู่ทางนอกนะ
Okay.
โดยเด้
You find it?
Bedling is it
Isn't it in the room like that?
ฮะ วันนี้พากันมาซื้อหมวกกุชชี่ We bought a hat yeah.
We're gonna have to ask somebody what.
Yeah, I know it's outside a bit. Is it right there? Right there. Is it? Yeah, right there.
Oh my god!
I told you.
How funny! Oh my god, that's funny. That's good.
I told you. เอ้ยเราเพชรเก็บได้หมวกแล้วลืมไปกันเลยวะ Can we take video? Okay. เอากล้องเกี่ยวถ่าย Chocolate, hand chocolate jewelry. Fashion Valley Mall.
Thank you.
It is our worldwide bestseller. Here's one for you.
Thank you, sir. It's free, right?
Yeah, it's a sample, yeah.
That's joking.
I mean, not the ones there, but this one.
Thank you. Yeah, we just kind of look around right now. Last time. It's good. Chocolate. It's good. This is a good chocolate sample. We are here at the Fashion Valley Mall. What's the name of it? Direct?
Yes, unfortunately. We're open till like 9:30, so plenty of time.
So cute. Oh, so cute. This is what I was looking for.
Oh,
Oh, the sticks, yeah. We also have them in all milk chocolate and all dark chocolate varieties.
I've been stick to them. Your hand, remember?
Crack itself, yeah, that's good.
It's so good.
Mm.
You get all different kinds.
Mhm.
Or variety.
Go backyard today.
Oh, okay. Uh-huh.
You get different kind of chocolate. Yeah.
For now, yeah.
Um,
It's a high-end chocolate. Okay.